If you want to connect your pages inside Hostinger Website Builder, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to link pages internally so visitors can move from one page to another with just one click. This is a simple but powerful way to improve navigation, guide users to important pages, and make your website feel more professional and organized. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy website builder tips. Now let's jump in. First, log in to your Hostinger account and open your hPanel dashboard. You can do that by going to hpanel.hostinger.com and signing in with the account that manages your website. Once you're inside, look at the main menu and click Websites. This will show you all the websites connected to your account. Find the site you want to edit and then click Edit Website. That opens the Hostinger Website Builder. Now that the builder is open, you can start linking any element to another page on your site. Hostinger gives you a few different options depending on what you want to link. You can link text, a button, or even an image. I'll walk you through each one so you can choose the method that fits your design best. Let's start with a text link. Click on the text block you want to edit, then choose Edit Text. Highlight the exact words you want visitors to click. Once the text is selected, look for the link icon in the inline formatting toolbar. Click that icon and then in the Settings menu, find the Link to drop-down. From there, choose Page. After that, select the internal page you want to connect to, such as About Us, Contact, or Services. Once you pick the page, the text becomes a clickable internal link. If you want to link a button instead, click on the button element first. Then choose Edit Button to open the button settings. In the Link to drop-down, select Page, just like with the text link. After that, choose the page you want the button to open. This is a great option if you want to create a strong call to action, like a Contact Us button, Learn More button, or View Services button. You can also link an image to an internal page. To do that, click the image and then choose Edit Image. Go over to the Action tab in the image settings. Under On-Click, select Open Link. Then, in the Link to drop-down, choose Page and pick the internal page you want that image to open. This is useful for clickable banners, service cards, or featured content sections. Once you've added your internal links, take a moment to review everything and make sure each element opens the correct page. Testing your links is always a smart idea before publishing. When you're happy with everything, click Update Website or go live in the top right corner to publish your changes. And that's it. You've now learned how to link pages internally in Hostinger Website Builder using text, buttons, and images. This is one of the easiest ways to improve site structure and help visitors navigate your website more efficiently. If this video was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.